Welcome back to Making Adventure, guys. Last week we put that motorcycle inside the truck. The spot it takes up now is where we were having all the storage. So now we have a giant mess in the truck to clean up that we need to do before we move on to the next step. So before we get to laying down our finished flooring, I want to mount a couple of runs of E-track on the floor, and that's what you see laid out right there. I'm going to route out a channel so that I can lay flat when the finished floor is installed, and then we'll start installing the laminate. Alright, so the finished floor that we're going to put down here is waterproof, but this hole won't be waterproof. That's going to be covered by this E-track braid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it full of this rubberized coating and then caulk it, then screw it down and Alright, so I already messed up. I'm 3 layers in and I messed up. But that's okay, we're making mistakes. How I messed up is I cut my tongue and groove part off that needed to go butt up against the next one. I should have cut it off to where the edge that I cut is going to be against the wall and hidden in trim. So you do want to cut it so you can stagger it. I just cut the wrong side off, so I got to pay attention to that now. that's gonna be all for this video. We will see you guys next time. I almost stepped in it.